find Instagram friends on Facebook. So if you want to find your Instagram friends on Facebook, then first of all you have to open up your Instagram application. And then after opening, now you can go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner, and then you can go to the upper right corner, which has the 3-bar icon, and then go for settings and privacy. And here on the first option you will have account center, so you can simply tap on account center, and here you will have your profiles, right? So simply tap on the profiles, and here you have to link your Facebook with your Instagram account. So after linking, you can go back and you can open up your Facebook application. Now you can go for a friend request, which is on the upper left corner on the second option, and from here you can simply tap on suggestions, which is on the upper left side, and here you will have all of the suggestions or all your friends who are on your Instagram. So that's it. After linking your Facebook to your Instagram, you will find the Instagram friends on your Facebook also. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.